Hi guys, welcome back. So I am working on a bulk order today, and this is some Micah powder I found on Amazon. And no, it doesn't smell like what it says. If you have a resin that heats up, don't do what I did here. The best way to do it is to mix you a new batch of resin with each color. I also pour a clear layer of resin before I started adding my colors. I would say I needed about 8 to 10 ounces to complete this process. Just showing you the continuity and how I was able to continue on with the same process. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting!